Hi everyone, it's Scrapping Sylvia. How's everyone doing? Today I wanted to show you, I ordered a box from Flawsomecrafter, and this is the box that I'm going to use for my sparklers. So let me show you. Okay. I actually ordered a smaller box because there's not too many sparklers, so I don't really need a bigger box. Okay, let's see. And of course, I'm going to keep the bubble paper, plastic for my mom. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Look how pretty it is, huh? Look at how pretty that is. It's beautiful. And it's got a flap in the front, a magnetic flap. Okay, so this is from Flawsomecrafter on Etsy. You have two choices. You can either order the fully completed, where they basically put everything is done for you, or you buy the DIY Build-A-Box. And so I decided to get this one, the DIY Build-A-Box. So let's see what's inside. And by the way, the length is 8.5, the width is 11.5, and the height is 4.5. And I'll put that in the description box. But look how beautiful this is. I love all these colors. It's my favorite colors. Okay, so it comes with paper. No, just kidding. Okay. So it comes with the dividers. Okay, and it comes, as you can see, these are the white index cards. It doesn't have any stickers on it, but I'll show you what else comes with. Oh, it comes with these big dividers too. Okay, of course you need to have these, because this is where you create 3 rows, right? And then of course it's going to go like this, and then of course with the index cards. Okay, now it did also come with so it comes with the box with the index cards, with the dividers, and it also came with the color numbered DMC dividers. Okay, so these are the stickers, and all I have to do is basically take them off and put them on the cards. Okay, and then I'm gonna put my sparklers, like I said, because this is where I had my sparklers, on one of these little luggage, which I absolutely love. But I'd rather have this for when I'm working on a kit. So, and it's so beautiful. It's got butterflies. So this is where I have all my sparklers. I'm just going to take them out of here, and I'm going to put them in there, and so I'll be back to show you. Okay guys, so I'm back. So this is what I decided, because there's so many colors. I'd rather keep this for another box. Yeah, I'm going box crazy, guys. So I have the sparkler list, and this I downloaded from DP with Sparklers online. So that's how I'm able to have. So you got all the sparkler, the colors, the glow glass, and the neon, and the opal glass. Well, actually opal glow glass. Okay, so let me just do one very quickly, because this is going to take a while. I mean, you don't have to do this, but I don't know. I figure I do it that way. I can see the colors too. I mean, you don't really need it, but I decided to, so I'm just going to continue. All right, so the next one is Burgundy Bliss. I'm just going to do one. That's it. And then I'll do the rest, and I'll show you after I finish. So Burgundy Bliss. So Burgundy, well, actually Bliss, yeah, Bliss. I think I said bless. And then I think I use this pen for the line. Okay, and then I took a bag, and you're gonna need the labels, and I think, what did I use for the labels? Actually, I used this pen. It's thinner for the label. So Burgundy Bliss. It's been raining all day, guys, all day, but that's good because we haven't had rain. And so make sure it's on the clear side. Yeah, we haven't had rain, and yeah, so I'm glad that it's raining. So today I got my flu shot. And I also went to do the early voting. So I voted today. Okay, so we're going to put that aside. Put that aside. So here it is. Here's the bag. This is the Burgundy Bliss. I hope you can see. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is now, actually I needed to take 2 or 3 of these. Yeah. I love these guys, these sparklers. They're so pretty. All right, let's see. And then I'm going to use the Tombow Mono Liquid Glue. And then just 3 little dots. 1, 2, and 3. So then I'm just going to continue doing this, actually probably downstairs, watching a little bit of TV, because this is going to take a while to do this, this gluing the sparklers. But like I said, you don't have to do this. You don't have to glue them. Okay, and that's it. And then we'll put these back. The good thing is that there's not too many of these. So, all right, so far we've got Amber, Autumn, and Burgundy Bliss. So those are done. Those go in the box. And so here we have, and then I'll just continue. All right, I'll see you later. Bye. Okay guys, so this is what I've done so far. I feel like it's going to take me forever, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to continue working on it, because I do have to wait until they dry. So I want to make sure this one's fine, but I still need to glue all the others. So this is what I've done so far. When I finish, I will post a picture, I guess. Okay? All right. Bye-bye. Thank you.